Nova here, and today I'm going to show you some advanced conditioning moves for the aerial yoga hammock. So if you love all things aerial yoga, please go ahead and hit subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. All right, let's get started. So come over to your hammock. Okay, so the first thing that we want to be familiar with is what I call the double serpent wrap. So this is when you put the fabric underneath of your shoulders, open the arms wide, wrap around the fabric once, wrap around the fabric twice, okay? So from this position, you should already have a basic invert where you pull yourself up into a tuck, a pike, or a pencil position. Okay, so what we're going to do from here are straddle ups. So when we do this, you can do these from a regular grip as well, but in the beginning, you may want to start with the double serpent wrap. So 1 and 2. Now, when you invert, you're going to open the legs wide into your straddle position like this. Pull up and open, straight legs, pointed toes, lift the hips and push the arms against the legs and try to hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly try to control your descent. Try to go a little bit slower than I did there. So let's do that one more time. Make sure that your breathing always helps. Inhale, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press through the chest. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow, slow down with control. All right, so there's our first move that is called the straddle up. Now from here, we are going to do some conditioning with the hammock on in an inversion in the back wrap position. So you'll place the hammock underneath of your shoulders and then push it down to the hips, lean back, and then you'll come into your inversion straddle. Okay, we'll keep the legs in a straddle. You can just release the arms for a moment. Now, from here, we're going to work through the obliques. So bring the hands back onto the hammock, and you'll take the left leg over to the right side, both legs together down, and then, you wanna bring it back up with straight legs. So inhale, exhale, down, and coming up, inhale, and exhale. Let's try that again. Inhale, exhale, legs together. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Obliques, inhale, and exhale, rest. So you're gonna start to feel that right away. So I recommend trying to do about 5 of those each side. Okay, so the last conditioning move that we'll do again is going to be from our back wrap inversion position. We're going to roll from back to front and then front to back. So here's how we'll do that. Push down, open, keep the legs open. Okay, now from here, hold on to the hammock. Take the right leg over to the left side and roll yourself down, hammock in the hips. Take the hands over to the left side, roll, and change your hands. Left leg open, right leg open. Readjust as you need to. Make sure that the fabric stays in the lower back. Now, hands back onto the poles, left leg over to the right leg goes down, and then you're back to your hip hang position. Right hand to the right pole, and lift up slightly here as you start to turn and fan right leg and left leg open. the fabric does start to move, you can just pike the hips and lift a little bit. Make sure that it stays in that back shelf position. Let's try that one more time each side. Make sure you're breathing. Legs stay straight, toes pointed. And there we go. So, just remember, like with all things aerial, just have fun with it. So, good luck, get strong, get bendy, and have fun flying in your aerial yoga hammock. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Lindsay Nova. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you later.